Okay, and welcome back, fellow fans. Welcome to the final installment of Let's Mod Millenaire the Mayans for their banners. Whew! Final installment. We're putting up village banners like that one and culture banners like that one. But we're putting them up with these because that's just how Millenaire works. So let's take a look here. We've got a panel and a village name and some doors and not much else. A lot changes. Let's just plug in these holes here. So we've got a door on this end and a panel on that end. Door on this end, a panel on that end. And this is called the Mayan pyramid build. So the pyramid is featured heavily, which is surprising since the main thing that it starts with is not a pyramid. This is the pyramid right here. Look at that. Hmm. Hmm. Okay. Okay. So what I want to do, and the reason why I looked at how the original base building changed, is put down a village banner and a culture banner throughout the entire build in the same spot. That way, it just is there throughout the whole time. Now, I can throw a culture banner. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I can throw a culture banner right there and a village banner right there. And then we can do that throughout the whole build. That way we have something that's there throughout the whole thing. And then once we do that, we can add some more for the later parts of the build. Come on. Oh, my cat's dreaming apparently because he keeps doing these weird little shakes with his paw. So as I mentioned in a previous episode, this is not going to be too talkative for me because I'm too busy focusing. Very sorry about that, fellow fans. Another thing, the Inuit buildings should be faster. May just do it as one episode because there's going to be a lot less banners. Lot less banners. Hmm. I keep going in right there. I should submit a update for these textures because these are not very good textures for these. I know they're just for use on the dev side. You don't really see them in game while playing, but you can have the dev side textures be nice. You can have the dev side textures be nice. Hmm. Come on. hair trigger on this mouse. And as I said in the last episode, it seems that the player-owned culture building is the same as this pyramid building, just named differently for some reason. So I will just rename it, and then that should be done for that. Okay, now let's take a look at the pyramid. Let's do a little something in the front. Is this the front or is this the back? That is the back. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's throw in some of these, and then some of these. 1, 2. Yes, yes. Did I do it here? Was it that low? Yes, it was that low. Hmm. What the heck? What was that? New zombie noises? Huh. Okay, sure. Uh, I can't say I'm familiar with those new zombie noises. But then I don't play too much in the later packs of Minecraft. I'm still in the older packs. Still outdated. Hmm. Hmm. I do like these builds. They are nice builds. My only complaint is that they use cobblestone. I think when I do my refresh, I'm probably just going to replace them with smooth stone and the like. Hmm. One more? 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Yeah, let's do one more. Okay, let's take a look at the third pyramid, the off to the side one next. Hmm. Hmm. Oh, there it is. One, two, 1, 2. I can't just add the culture banners to them both at the same time. So I'll add it to here, right here, and then there for the next one. Okay, let's just do one more and something over in this little courtyard over here. Hmm. What about the other side? Yep. Nope, not the other side because it goes outside the bounds. Oh well, it's in the courtyard. That's all that matters. So it looks like we've still got these pillars onwards. So it's the same height as the wall. Let's take a look at it from the wall. Same height as the wall. So it would be this right here. Why are you diorite? That's weird. Weird. Okay. Let's put you here, you here. And I know why you are amber. And let's just do village. Village, 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 village. Village, village, and not one here because we start with that. Okay, okay, that looks good. Let's export. Mm-hmm. A 0. Let's see now. A 1. A 2. A 3. A4, A5, A6, A7, A8, A9, A10, whew, A11, those random crystals. A12. When exporting, those random crystals are not going to be included. That's what that means, that it's just going to be a blank air spot. And A13. Okay. Whew. Well, that's that for the Mayans. I still have a bit of time left in the episode. So why don't I import the Inuit? First, let's switch over to the Inuit banners. When I change the texture pack, this will look correct. Then let's go to, what was it? Import culture, Inuits. And while we're waiting for that, let us also change the texture pack. Ah. Okay. Bye, film fans.